Hello guys, welcome again. Myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in mechanical engineering department at St Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. Today I am going to deliver a lecture, video lecture series, that is lecture number 2 of the subject materials engineering. So my today's topic is Miller indices of planes and directions and problems related to crystal structure. So today I am going to start from the last video lecture series. Already explained in the last video lecture series, that is lecture number 1 of materials engineering. What is the average number of items, what is coordination number, what is the value of these in tabular form in the last video lecture. So here I'll explain each and every term in case of average number of items. What is average number of items? Average number of items is given as or denoted by n average is equal to nc upon 8 plus nf upon 2 plus ni upon 1. I'll explain each and every term in detail. For cubic cell, which is red in color, I have written. So n average is given by nc upon 8 plus nf upon 2 plus ni upon 1 in case of cubic cell, and n average, or you can say average number of items, is given as nc upon 6 plus nf upon 2 plus ni upon 1 for HCP structures. HCP means hexagonal closed packed structure or closed packed structure. This is known as HCP. Cubic cells or cubic structure is such as BCC or FCC. What is a BCC? Body centered cubic, and FCC is nothing but face centered cubic, where NC is equal to number of items at corners. You have to remember this. NC क्या है? Number of items at corners. NF number of items at face centers. NI is nothing but number of items in body interior of unit cell. In case of cubic cell, NC upon 8, NF upon 2 and NI upon 1. This formula is applicable only for cubic cell such as BCC and FCC. So in case of body centered cubic, number of items at corners are 8 and number of items at face centers 0, and number of items in body interior will be 1. So from this formula you can calculate average number of items. Similarly in case of HCP metals. So now we'll discuss atomic packing factor, which is denoted by APF. All are capital letters. It is given as average number of items into volume of cell 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of unit cell. Total volume and volume of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So this is given as the formula in average or average number of items into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that is volume of items, and divided by volume of unit cell. So here I have written note points, which is very very important for from objective point of view. So first one is coordination number. What is coordination number? Coordination number is an index of resistance offered by the material to deformation. Means that जितना ज़्यादा coordination number होगा उतना ज़्यादा क्या होगा? It will resist. So A part I have written here, more coordination number means more strength. B part, more coordination number is one of the factor of strength only. और you can say जितना ज़्यादा coordination number होगा उतना ज़्यादा strength metals का ज़्यादा होगा. Clear? So coordination number is an index of resistance offered by the material to deformation. Deformation को ये हिंडर करेगा, रोकेगा, ऑब्स्टेकल करेगा. नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज एटॉमिक पैकिंग फैक्टर इज एन इंडेक्स ऑफ डेंसिटी ऑफ पैकिंग. क्लियर. जितना ज़्यादा एटॉमिक पैकिंग फैक्टर होगा तो क्या करेगा, इट विल शो डेंसिटी ऑफ पैकिंग, हाउ मच मटेरियल इज पैक्ड. सो in case of BCC 32% volume is void area, or you can say void space, because atomic packing factor number is 0.68 in case of BCC. Similarly, in case of FCC 26% volume is void area or void space, because atomic packing factor increases means density increases. जितना atomic packing factor increase करेगा, it means that density will also increase of that material. Now one term I have written, you have to remember only, that is lattice. What is lattice? Already explained in the definition in the first lecture. Means a three-dimensional array of points coinciding with atom positions of a sphere centers. Clear. lattice क्या है? a three-dimensional array. थ्री डायमेंशन में हम क्या करते हैं, एक चैन को कंसिडर करते हैं, कोइंसाइडिंग विद एटम पोजीशन, जहाँ पे एटम है वहाँ पे. क्लियर. नाउ विल सॉल्व प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन हियर. फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट डायमीटर ऑफ एन इमेजिनरी स्फीयर विच फिट्स इनटू द interstitial void in the center of the cube edge of a BCC क्रिस्टल. क्या गिवन है क्वेश्चन में? BCC क्रिस्टल है, उसमें क्या करें, इंटरस्टिशियल वॉइड है, खाली स्पेस है, वॉइड स्पेस है, उसमें हम एक इमेजिनरी स्फीयर को पुट कर रहे हैं. यू हैव टू फाइंड द डायमीटर ऑफ दैट इमेजिनरी स्फीयर. सो सी दिस डायग्राम, दिस इज द BCC crystal. I haven't shown here body centered atom, so you have to remember there will be an atom in the interior of the body. So clear. Now see this diagram. In BCC there are 8 atoms on each corner. So I have drawn here. A is the lattice parameter, D is the diameter of imaginary circle which fits into the void. यहाँ पे लार्जर जो डायमीटर ऑफ एटम है वो क्या है, वो इमेजिनरी स्फीयर है जो हम फिट कर रहे हैं इस बीच में. सो सी दिस, लेट D इज द डायमीटर ऑफ लार्जेस्ट इमेजिनरी स्फीयर. क्लियर. तो यू कैन राइट D इज इक्वल टू A माइनस 2R, बिकॉज एटम का कुछ रेडियस होगा. देयर आर 2R बिकॉज फ्रॉम ईच कॉर्नर half radius, or you can say half diameter of atom 1 and half diameter of atom 2. So we can write D value as A is equal to D is equal to A minus 2R. Clear. You know in case of BCC the value of A to R relation, that is given as 4R by root 3 minus 2R. So after solving we will get D value is 0.309R. It means that the diameter of imaginary sphere which fits into the void space in case of BCC metal is 0.309 R. R is the atomic radius. Now we'll solve another problem and explain what will be the effect of effect in case of BCC crystal or in case of FCC crystal. So read the question here. Find the diameter of imaginary sphere which fits into the interstitial void in the center of the cube edge of an FCC crystal. Same question, but इस केस में क्या है, crystal is FCC or FCC crystal. So see the diagram again. There will be a face centered atom in it. So you have to fit the imaginary sphere on the edge of the cube. So the value of D in this case A minus 2R, same as we discussed in the last question. So the value of A in case of FCC is 2 root 2 R minus 2R. so no need to explain again and again. So value of D we will get as 0.828 R in case of FCC structure, or you can say imaginary reservoir which can fits into the void space. So here will be a note point, very very important point. See this. From the answers of the above problems, it can be seen that the interstitial void size in FCC is greater than that in case of BCC. क्या मतलब? ऊपर के आंसर से पता चल रहा है कि इंटरस्टिशियल वाइड साइज इन FCC इज ग्रेटर, जो खाली जगह है वाइड स्पेस वो क्या है FCC में ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू BCC. नाउ we'll solve another problem. Calculate the percentage change in density as iron transform from BCC to FCC on heating to a temperature above 910 डिग्री सेल्सियस. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? परसेंटेज चेंज इन डेंसिटी, कितना डेंसिटी का परसेंटेज चेंज हो रहा है. क्लियर? सो द फार्मूला और यू कैन से सॉल्यूशन, द प्रॉब्लम कैन बी सॉल्व्ड, दैट इज परसेंटेज change in density is given as rho FCC minus rho BCC upon rho BCC into 100. Because there I have written hint, means that atomic packing factor is an index of density, already explained in the last page, in the previous page in today's lecture. So atomic packing factor किसका ज़्यादा होगा? जिसका ज़्यादा होगा उसका डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होगा, ये हिंट है. तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई दिस रिलेशन इन दिस इक्वेशन टू फाइंड द परसेंटेज चेंज इन डेंसिटी. सो परसेंटेज चेंज इन डेंसिटी इज इक्वल टू APF ऑफ FCC माइनस APF ऑफ BCC अपॉन APF upon BCC into 100. AP of FCC is already calculated, or in tabular form I have given, that is 0.74 minus 0.68 of BCC upon 0.68 of BCC into 100. So we will get percentage change in density is equal to 8.82%. This is the answer in case of change in FCC and BCC. So now we will calculate or solve another problem, that is calculate the percentage change in volume corresponding to electropic transformation given in the above problem. फर्स्ट केस में क्या था? डेंसिटी कैलकुलेट किया. इसमें क्या कर रहे हैं? परसेंटेज चेंज इन वॉल्यूम. सो परसेंटेज चेंज इन वॉल्यूम फार्मूला इज गिवन एज वॉल्यूम ऑफ FCC minus 2. Here I have written, which is red in color, that is 2 digit is red in color. This is the actual formula. So applying this formula, minus 2 volume of BCC upon 2 volume of BCC into 100. So volume of FCC nothing but A cube of FCC minus 2A cube BCC upon 2A cube BCC into 100. So the value of A in terms of R, you all know that in case of FCC 2 root 2 R, and in case of BCC 4R by root 3. So cubing and simplifying and solving this, we will get answer as percentage change in volume, that is delta V is equal to minus 8.14%. Now we will discuss very very important topic of crystal structure, or you can say Miller indices of planes and Miller indices of directions. So first we will discuss Miller indices of planes. Miller indices of planes क्या है? The orientation of planes for a crystal structure. क्या है ये? ओरिएंटेड प्लेन का ओरिएंटेशन क्या है? फॉर किसी भी क्रिस्टल स्ट्रक्चर को हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, तो ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ प्लेन क्या है? जो प्लेन है वो किस ओरिएंटेशन में? टू फाइंड दिस इज नोन एज मिरर इंडाइसेस ऑफ प्लेन्स. It is given as Miller indices of planes is defined as the rationalized reciprocals of fractional intercepts taken along the three crystallographic directions and written inside parentheses without a separating comma between them. Focus and analyze each and every term in this case. इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज द रैशनलाइज रेसिप्रोकल। पहले हम रेसिप्रोकल निकालेंगे, उसको रैशनलाइज करेंगे। अब फ्रैक्शनल इंटरसेप्ट जो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है उस पॉइंट को, प्लेन जो कहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, फ्रैक्शनल इंटरसेप्ट का रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे। टेकन अलोंग द 3 क्रिस्टलोग्राफिक डायरेक्शंस, मीन्स दैट 3 डायरेक्शन में x, y and z, and written inside parenthesis. I have shown here. I am not moving the page. So see this in red color, HKL in bracket. This is known as parenthesis without a separating comma. There is no comma in between them. That is HKL के बीच में कोई comma नहीं है. So this is known as mirror indices of plane. This will be more clear with the help of examples. So I'll giving you some examples of find out mirror indices of planes. For example, see here on the right side of crystal structure. So x direction in front of me or facing to me, y is right hand side and z is in upward direction. So here this is the crystal structure. Clear? So here I have assumed A, B, C, D. Focus on the diagram. ये क्या है? This is the plane A, B, C, D. O is the origin, or you can say 0 is the origin. So as per definition, there are 3 crystallographic direction, that is x, y, z. So I have written in column wise. Intercept. This plane is intersecting x axis at 1 unit distance. Considering this unit is, or you can say 1 unit. So intercept is 1 in case of x, or you can say in the direction of x. But in case of y and z, you have to focus. You have to see what is happening here. So see that here I have drawn another diagram, separate diagram. Y is showing in right hand side, z in upward direction. ABCD is the plane here. Smaller diagram. See this. This is the smaller diagram. ABCD. ABCD is the parallel to Y. ये प्लेन कहाँ मीट करेगा y को? इन्फिनिटी पे. z को कहाँ इंटरसेप्ट करेगा और कहाँ मीट करेगा? इन्फिनिटी से. So I have written intercept as 1 infinity infinity. Reciprocal is 1 by 1, 1 upon infinity, 1 upon infinity. Rationalize, after rationalizing we will get 1 0 0. So indices we will get as inside the bracket, or you can say inside parenthesis, 1 0 0. I have given a name here, H1 K1 L1. I will explain later what is H1 K1 L1. You can give the name as HKL. I have given this plane, or indices of this plane is 1 0 0, and given a name H1 K1 L1. So now we will focus on another plane, or to find mirror indices of planes. Here focus on the diagram first. See thoroughly. I have selected plane AEFD. Sorry, AEFD. Clear? Writing with black color. So here intercept in x direction is 1, in y direction is 1, and z direction it will not meet, but will meet at infinity. So intercept at z is in infinity. Similarly reciprocal and rationalize, and finally you will get as indices 1 1 0. See another plane here, that is GFD, which is red in color. Clear? So it will directly, you can directly find out mirror indices of plane 1 1 1. Clear? Because it is cutting x, y and z at 1 unit. Similarly, see another plane, that is BEFC. Clear? So you can solve and refer, apply this formula which I have already explained. So we will get as Miller indices of this plane is 0, 1, 0. So I have written here H2 K2 L2 or given a name for this plane. Now we will discuss what is H1 K1 L1 and H2 K2 L2. फॉर परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन ए बी सी डी जो मैंने लिया था फर्स्ट प्लेन वो क्या था, इस टाइप से था, और उसके परपेंडिकुलर कौन है, बी ई एफ सी. सो फॉर परपेंडिकुलर प्लेन्स H1 H2 प्लस K1 K2 प्लस L1 L2 becomes 0. You can check by multiplying the values, you will get answer as 0. Now we will solve very important part of this. Here I have chosen a plane PQRS. So example number 5, that is plane PQRS. You have to find Miller indices of this plane. So here intercept in X, because origin is lying on this plane, or you can say plane is lying on the origin. So X से कितना डिस्टेंस है इसका, 0. Y से प्लेन कहाँ पे कट कर रहा है, Y को 1 पे. Z को कहाँ पे कट कर रहा है, 1. क्लियर, 1 यूनिट. रेसिप्रोकल 1/0, 1/1, 1/1. So you will get rational after rationalizing, and finally we will get as indices infinity 1, 1. It's not possible. इन्फिनिटी पे indices नहीं एग्जिस्ट करता. इन्फिनिटी पे क्या होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, नथिंग will happen. So we will change this diagram, or you can say shift the origin by unit distance when the plane passing through origin. इस अपर केस में क्या हो रहा था, प्लेन इज पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. सो विल क्या करेंगे हम इस केस में, प्लेन को हम शिफ्ट करेंगे या ओरिजिन को शिफ्ट करेंगे. क्या करेंगे, यू कैन शिफ्ट ओरिजिन, शिफ्ट द ओरिजिन बाय यूनिट डिस्टेंस व्हेन प्लेन पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिन. सो आफ्टर शिफ्टिंग द ओरिजिन यू विल गेट एज इंटरसेप्ट्स in x direction, that is -1, because moving in लेफ्टवर्ड डायरेक्शन. राइट को हम पॉजिटिव लेते हैं, लेफ्ट को हम नेगेटिव लेते हैं जनरली. सो आई हैव टेकन नेगेटिव, दैट इज इंटरसेप्ट इन एक्स डायरेक्शन इज -1, इन वाई डायरेक्शन, इन जेड डायरेक्शन क्या होगा, ये प्लेन कहाँ पे मीट करेगा, इन्फिनिटी पे, एंड जेड भी इन्फिनिटी पे. क्लियर और नॉट, करेक्ट. This plane will intercept in y direction and z direction at infinity, because plane is parallel to the origin. So y को और z को कहाँ पे मीट करेगा, जैसे फर्स्ट केस में था ABCD के केस में. सिमिलरली plane will meet at infinity and in y direction and infinity in z direction. So after reciprocal and after rationalizing we will get indices as 1 bar 0, 0. Focus on the first column, -1, reciprocal is 1/-1. It is written as 1 bar negative. I'll explain, this will be clear from this note points. That is parallel planes will have same Miller indices. ABCD 100 था, क्लियर. सो पैरेलल प्लेन्स विल हैव सेम मिलर इंडाइसेस, PQRS भी सेम होगा, बट नॉन ज़ीरो इंडेक्स विल गेट द अपोजिट साइन. उसमें 100 था, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 1 बार 00 हो जाएगा. क्लियर, नाउ इट इज़ करेक्ट और क्लियर. आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड? सो planes are parallel. In case of planes are parallel, it means non-zero index will get the opposite sign. क्या हो जाएगा, वहाँ पॉजिटिव था 1, यहाँ 1 बार क्या होगा, it is showing negative. Clear. Now we will see another examples and directly you can solve. Now you are able to understand, or you can say this is nothing new in this concept. I already explained this concept and you can directly solve, or you can check the diagram and find out Miller indices of planes. So see the diagram first. you have to find Miller indices and MNOP. MNOP x डायरेक्शन में कितना है, y डायरेक्शन में कितना है, 0 0. सो रेसिप्रोकल के बाद वही 0 0 होगा, सब कुछ होगा 0. इन्फिनिटी पे होगा, इन्फिनिटी को रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, रैशनलाइज करेंगे तो विल गेट आंसर एज 0 0. z को कहाँ पे कट कर रहा है ये प्लेन, 1 यूनिट पे. सो Miller indices of plane for this case will be 0 0 1. Now figure number 2. For this plane I hatched the plane. So hatching plane will cut and finally we will get as Miller indices of this plane is 1 0 1. You can observe and analyze by the method I have solved. So no need to explain and explain. So here the third diagram or third, so here plane is cutting in x direction at 1 unit and y direction at 1 unit, but in z direction at half unit. So intercept will be 1 1 and half. Reciprocal will be 1 by half. Rationalize करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 2 हो जाएगा. तो it will become as 1 1 2. This is Miller indices of this plane. Now we will discuss Miller indices of direction. It is known as a crystallographic direction is defined as a line between 2 points or a vector. ये क्या है, Miller indices of direction. A crystallographic direction, क्रिस्टल का डायरेक्शन, crystallographic is defined as a line. लाइन के फॉर्म में डिफाइन किया है बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल OA, OB, OBC, OC, ठीक है, OB और ए वेक्टर, और यू कैन से दिस इज अ वेक्टर. इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय HKL बाय इनसाइड द स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट. हियर आई हैव रिटन विद a स्टार reduction. Read this definition. What is this? I'll explain. Reduction means making these numbers to the lowest set of integer and is accompanied by multiplication of each by factor 2. क्या करेंगे हम, उसको factor 2 से multiply करेंगे. So see the diagram first. What is definition, what is the use of this definition? That is the question number 1. Here OA, OB, OC. OA is the vector. So Miller indices of direction क्या होगा, OA x डायरेक्शन में 1 यूनिट, y और z के भी 0 0, तो वी कैन राइट 1 0 0. क्लियर. OB का क्या होगा, 1 1 0, क्योंकि y के डायरेक्शन में भी 1 यूनिट कवर कर रहा है ये वेक्टर, एंड x के डायरेक्शन में भी कर रहा है. सो 1 1 0. OC will be 1 1 1 inside the square bracket. This is known as mirror indices of direction. Directions within a unit cell is known as mirror indices of direction. Now we will solve another problem, or you can say second problem. It will be very useful for solving this type of questions. So this is the diagram. C is the height, B is the width, and A is the also width, or you can say cubic length A, B and C given in the question. But here you have to find OA. So you have to find Miller indices of this vector. Clear? Or Miller indices of direction. So for part OA. So procedure is XYZ. Similar is the case as Miller indices of plane. प्रोजेक्शंस क्या होगा इसका, A/2 होगा इन x डायरेक्शन. क्लियर. हाफ पे कट कर रहा है मिडल पॉइंट पे. y के डायरेक्शन में कितना होगा, b कवर किया इसने डिस्टेंस. z का जाएगा 0C. क्लियर. सो प्रोजेक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ A, B एंड C के लिखेंगे हम. A, B, C को हटा देंगे, क्या लिखेंगे 1/2, 1 एंड 0. क्लियर. रिडक्शन, रिड्यूस करेंगे, जो अभी डेफिनेशन मैंने ऊपर में रीड किया था. क्या करेंगे, इसको 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 1 से हो जाएगा. 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 हो जाएगा. 0 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 0 होगा. तो इन क्लोजर और यू कैन से मिरर इंडाइसेस ऑफ डायरेक्शन फॉर दिस डायग्राम विल बी 1 2 0. So I am finishing my topic here. Thank you guys very much.